Yo, my name is Zosh.
Yo, it's Young Static.
What's cracking, guys? This is Christian from Honda Vlogs.
Yo, vatos locos. It's Lazymangarage. And you know who you're watching?
You're watching Lazymangarage. You're watching Lazymangarage.
And you're watching Lazy Man's Garage.
Lazymangarage.
Welcome back to another exciting episode of I Love Lucy. Where we last left off, I couldn't get my welder to work, but turns out it was just the wire from Harbor Freight, so I went to Amazon, bought me some wire. Well, I didn't go to Amazon, but you know what I meant. I went to the fucking website, fuck you. And then I ordered the wire. It showed up today, or no, yesterday. Put it in, and got some welds done. Let me turn on the flash for you guys right now. Got some welds done. This used to be a seam, and it's not now, so nice and smooth. Got all this to do, all that. I started doing all this right here. This looks like a sharp line, but it's not. It's actually pretty fucking smooth, except for the backside, which I still need to get. But other than that, this used to be like a split piece. Welded all that together because I don't want it looking like caca. Welded some more right here. Got all this welded because my welder wouldn't do it before. Filled in some welds right here, some little spots and such like that, and filled this up, filled that up, filled this up, filled this up. Try to blend this together, but I'm gonna need a belt sander in order to get into this tight spot right here and get this out right here. On top of that, I took my transmission, got some oven cleaner, and cleaned up my transmission. I put it on an engine stand. All you need is just some long ass bolts and some nuts. It stays on there pretty good. Just one threaded about that much. Another one here, another one there. They're all hand tightened, not tool tightened. But hey, you know, it's not going nowhere. Then I picked up this bad boy right here. So where we last left off, I got to give the intake, the distributor, the clutch and flywheel to my buddy. Don't know if he needs the alternator. I'm gonna try to see if he'll let me keep that. But if not, I'm going to OBD1 anyways, so I don't know if the alternators differ, but I'm pretty sure they do. But I've been welding and grinding all day. I'm dirty, and I'm going to continue this tomorrow when it's not so dark, because I decided to film late because I'm fucking stupid. It's the next day. Not technically, but it's been a few days since I showed you guys the welds. And I thought I'd give you a rundown of what my Civic looks like, because I never really showed you guys like detailed visuals of my Civic. I'm gonna wait for the neighbors to leave before I start filming, because I don't want them to think I'm weird. So let's wait for that. Side note, I will be doing a B-roll film on the car, so please don't flag the music that I'm putting, because I don't fucking, I'm not in like contract with fucking YouTube, so I mean, please don't flag my shit.
Have you ever had a dream that you could don't do skid you don't do skid you want don't do skid you could you could don't do skid you don't do skid you want don't do skid you could you could don't do skid you don't do skid you want don't do skid you could you could don't do skid you don't.
Now the car looks really nice on the outside, but the only thing that really fucking bothered me, well, that bothers me is, so I'm gonna redo everything in it, like the whole engine bay. I mean, just, did you see it? Did you see it again? Do you want to see it again?
Holy shit, look at this fucking thing!
So what I've been doing for the past few hours is fixing this header right here. As you can see, the welds aren't that great, but I'm welding it, grinding it, welding it, grinding it until I get it to a nice smooth finish, so that way I don't have to worry about leaks when I put this on the Civic, which is right behind me, which is what I'm leaning on. So that's what I'm doing to this. Got the welder to work because I use different wire, but so far so good. I'll show you more on this of what's going on. Like I said, my welds aren't the best, but hey, you know, it's better than this one over here, which fucking I accidentally dropped it a few times because I had a shit fucking, well, I have a bad hand. I'm not very steady, but all the way around, it's not bad. I got this part right here completely closed, as you can see. I still need to get little parts like that because I don't want it to eventually crack from stress and pressure. So all this right here is welded again. I've been grinding, welding, but not bad, right? Now, from what I've been told, that these headers are rare. Apparently, they're called pace setter headers. Well, yeah, that's what it says, pace setter headers, and they're carb legal, so that works out for me too. I was thinking about maybe blocking this off, shaving this down, welding this in, and then putting the new one right here. Not too sure, but probably end up just leaving this here and then putting the O2 sensor right there if it'll fucking reach, which I hope. But after that, I'm gonna clean these all off, sand them down, and get them ready for polish. So much for this being a kind of like a lazy man garage thing, because I've been very productive for the past few days and not very lazy. But I think I'm just gonna take a moment to chill out. My hands are very fucking shaky right now. I don't know if that's because I haven't eaten or because of the grinder, but I'm talking too much. I'm gonna chill out for a minute. This is what the finished product looks like. See how nice and smooth and it all blends together? There's some little spots like right here that are not fully connected, but over here now it is, over here it is, over here it is, but you can see the line that goes through. On this side, it still needs some work done, obviously, but on the corners now, it doesn't, but right here, it still fucking does, man. Been doing this for like about an hour now. I'm gonna give it at least one more weld, and then if it doesn't come through, I'm just gonna say fuck it, and I'm gonna send it like that. Most of the parts are all done. I just got a few little parts, and then it's all fucking done, and it's nice and smooth. And then still gotta polish that valve cover for you, Jake, if you're watching this. I haven't forgot. I'm just waiting on the supplies to get here, but yeah, let's weld this up and see what happens after that. So, got some welds in, hammered them down, like you're supposed to, I guess. That's what I fucking see. But I got all this down here, this right here. Now I'm gonna grind these down, smooth them out. If it doesn't do, oh fuck, I missed a spot. If it doesn't do what I think it's gonna do, then I'm just gonna fucking send it and leave it like that. That's how it looks so far. I'm just gonna send it. Hopefully it doesn't break. But I'm gonna put my phone on the charge, and then I'm gonna help Louise out whatever he needs help with. What do you need help with? Black sockets? Okay, I'll be there right now. So the car runs. We figured out all the little issues except for one little issue. That fucking thermostat keeps leaking. So he's gonna go get some silicone. We're putting the thermostat in because before he was running open thermostat. Wasn't leaking. There was no gasket, no silicone, nothing. Right now he's just doing the final touches of putting on his bumper and his last dark rim that he has. So it's gonna be good to go. It's all bumped up. I mean, not bumped up. Yeah, it's all bumped up in the front. But look at that. God damn, and look at them headers. If you follow my Instagram and you see those headers, they were fucking caca looking. And now they look good. He got the carbon fiber. Man, it look good. This shit look good, boy. She look good. Hey, Louise. Huh? That shit look good. It look really good. It look good. Fucking damn, dude. Josh was right. You are like Randa. Quiet. Oh, the joys of running one of these. Always having to do this when you want to take the bumper off. That washer's crooked, son. I'm gonna say it again. Shit's gonna look nice as fuck when you're rolling down the street in my 6'4". And then I said, ooh, ooh. What to do now is this side right here. and then he's done. I thought you had that clip for that thing. Oh, you do? Yeah, he stole these from the junkyard right here. Those little clips. Okay, so the thermostat is out now. I got it completely out. Who the hell ordered Pizza Hut? But I got the thermostat out. It's right here. This bad boy. This is a thermostat in case you didn't know. In case you did know, now you know. Because if you don't know, now you know. You know? This is called thermostat housing. Size doesn't matter here, okay? What he's gonna do is he's gonna go get some the gasket for this, and he's gonna put a little bit of silicone around it to hold the gasket in place. This bad boy goes in this way. It lines up with it right there. You see the little line right there? It lines up just like that. Now, if you look at this, it has teeth at the top. You see the teeth? The teeth at the top line up with the teeth right there and there. You put them in like that, you have no issues. So you got to line up there and line up this little gold doohickey. Line up that gold doohickey with that little port right there, and then you're golden. Now we play the waiting game until Louise gets back. He went to AutoZone literally like fucking 15 minutes ago, but he should be back anytime soon. I don't know where the fuck he went, and I'm hungry. Well, Louise is tired, I'm tired, and he said we're gonna finish this up tomorrow. So on that note, I'm gonna close out the video right here. Please leave a like if you guys like the video, comment if you want to. I always reply to all the comments that I get, or if I don't reply to them, I like them. If you guys want anything from Activio Racing, the link will be down in the bio down below. If you want anything from Neo Garage, use my link down below. It helps me out and it'll help you out. My name is Chris from Lazymangarage, and we get shit done when we feel like it. Peace. Can't really do the peace because I got a cigarette in my fucking hand, but you know what I mean. Peace, and stay tuned for the next video. But before I close this video out, I have something special happening on Wednesday. Hopefully, if it goes through, I'll be collabing with somebody very, very soon. Sooner than I actually thought I would. And I'll be meeting somebody very important. They will be on this blog, or blog, vlog, whatever you want to call it. But please stay tuned, because on Wednesday, shit is going down. Thank you again, Chris. If you're watching this, thank you again, dude. That's a little hint for you guys. If you guys don't know who that is, you'll know who it is when you see the video. You already fucking know. All right, anyways, I'm out. See you guys later. Peace.